How's it, Bronx?
Cool. Alright, so this is your writing canvas. So this is where you can do all your annotation on the board. So pick up a pen, you can write on the board, you can do whatever you need to do on the board. You can bring in your documents, pictures, whatever information. So go to the demo site. Bring in a picture. Let's bring in So then from this, double click, I can bring it to the middle of the screen, I can send it to the back, and I can turn it, move it, send it across, whatever I want to do with it. That's basically it. Okay, then from this as well, if I go into this, and I make notes on here, whatever I do on here, I send it back to the back. It stays within the document.
And you can save it.
Correct. Same thing here is I can record. So I can record the session as well. So if I'm in a conference call, a video call, whatever I'm saying in the call, it's being recorded. I'm obviously just in a microphone or whatever connected to the board as well. But whatever I'm drawing on the board or making notes or moving them around, every action I do gets saved in that document as well. At any time, if you wanted to connect the device to the phone, you can scan that QR code. On your device itself, let's go to, you would have to load the TeamWorks app, which is available on Android and iOS. So if I click on that, I can go and I can join the meeting, scan the code. If I wanted to, I can click on that, sorry, not that, done. I can go to my pens, I just need to give access. So from the bottom here, I'm going to say this person, I want to give read-write access. So now I'll be able to take a pen, I'll be able to draw on the board, I can go and I can bring in add from photos. Let's go that one, let's go to that, choose that one. I should actually just bring it into here, hopefully. Maybe not. So that'll actually bring it across the network to them. Other than that, you've got a little tool over here that allows you to ring things. Grab them, bring that properly. Yeah, so it's not from my phone. If I grab this, I can grab this picture here. Oh, not mine. Okay, so ring it, and grab the thing. Grab the item, and then that item. So these you don't have to ring because they're already items in here. So if I wanted to ring certain things,
Something that's been added, you can...
correct, I can move it around. Okay. After that, if I want to add other participants in, I could add, if you're on in a room, in the same network, you can just connect to a board. So via that, the URL and everything. If you've got people off network, then you would add them in here. So you actually put the email address, send that out.
And they've got a link.
Correct. So then when they get it on your laptop or device or whatever the case is, it will come up as TeamWorks mailer. Well, this one's coming TeamWorks mailer. Click on that. It says you've been invited to connect to a whiteboard session. And then you can connect to this meeting.
Come to the link. Okay.
Open it, I've got that on here, and since I open. So now that's on my phone via
The link.
yeah, so I'm going, basically from here I'm going out to Smart Server, which is sitting in Calgary or on Amazon or wherever they've got their server, and it's bouncing back into here. And then obviously from here I can now contribute as well, bring information in. If I exit the session, it asks me, would you like to create a recap? I can say save, and it will save a recap on my phone. Same thing here, if I go to this one here, and I go to close the session. What the session went, do you want to create a recap? I say yes. What do I want to save? So that's the preview. Cool, so that's everything on the screen. Next. What files do I want to save? There's that file I brought in, there's that file, so I don't want to do that one, I just want that. The next.
It's all the different files you brought in.
Should we put that one? Next. That's it.
You can save it wherever you want.
Documents.
You can email it.
Okay. So that's that. Now, if I go to my documents here, into my documents, today is the 23rd. So that's this one. So there's my recap. So that's the actual PDF that it just saved. Original files. There's the video file. Modified files. The sketches.
This is the original file.
So it's basically just, so if I had an Excel spreadsheet, that will be here. If I had a PDF, it will be here. So then obviously then this one, come on, video recorder. So I can record the session as well. So
Okay, does this have inbuilt mic? Where's the voice? Okay, from here. Oh, okay.
And does it come with the screen? Is an extra
No.
edit?
making notes or moving them around.
The extra you can sell.
And that little thing doesn't have a sound at all.
The board's got sound. The board doesn't come with a microphone or a camera. So you have to add that on. Obviously, whatever device you want to connect. So the board's so everything that you do on the screen will come in.
Come as a video.
And this is it works with only smart teamwork.
Yeah. So this okay. So what you have here. So this is TeamWorks.
Okay.
So I can choose within this one here. I can tell it. Just go to settings. So kiosk, hard desktop, kiosk mode. So then that would just show that you won't have anything.
Oh, the icons.
So it's
Okay.
basically walk-in. That's what you use. Obviously, to go to documents, that it's a little bit more difficult to get to all your documents and applications.